In this video, I'm going to share a couple more tidbits of information about these custom aggregation functions. Number one is it must return a single value. So here I created an add 5 function. It accepts a series, and I'm going to add 5 to the series. So that doesn't aggregate. We're going to get a series that has the same number of values. So let me execute this so I have this function available in my namespace. If I try to use this as an aggregation, I'm going to get an error. So it must produce aggregated value, and it clearly does not. The other little tidbit is that you can use these built-in aggregation functions, or you can combine the custom and built-in aggregation functions together. So here I am doing a group by here by both department and sex. I'm using a couple of built-in aggregations, min and max, and then I'm going to use my new one, min max, like this. I'm also going to style it a little bit. So this gives me the minimum salary and maximum salary for every group. So we can see that if I subtract them, I should get this. There's a little bit of a rounding error for that. But otherwise, it works just as expected. There really is no difference between using a custom aggregation function and one built by pandas. All right, so a little bit more information on these custom aggregation functions.